Hi, Jerry Stringer again with Timber and Beam Workshop. If you're going to be doing high-end gun cases or high-end jewelry cases, things that are going to really look sharp when they're done, you're going to run into some problems as you go because the more detailed you work, the more problems you're going to run into. But here's a little tip that I just learned about not too long ago, and it's amazing what you can do with it. I found these at Woodcraft. They're called Gimlets. And it's a tool that will help you, especially if you're working with brass screws. Brass screws are very easily broken as you're putting them in. If your pilot hole happens to be too small and you're trying to screw them in, you'll shear it off, and then you got to come back and take it out and start over again, which is another whole video that we just did. But the gimlets come in 4 sizes, a set from Woodcraft. This is for a number 2 screw, a number 4 screw, number 6, and number 8 screw. And I've got a number I think it's a number 4 screw right here, so we're going to use this one to show how to use it. You start off with drilling your pilot hole, which we have the bit for it here, which is the same size as the shank without the threads on it. Drill your pilot hole as such. Take your gimlet tool and just screw it in. Think of an ice pick with threads on the end of it. Because by pushing it in there, now it's cutting the threads into the wood so that the screw will go in much easier because you're already preforming the hole for that screw. You go into the depth you need, take it back out. Put your screw in. And you may want it countersunk, but for today we're not going to talk about that. We've already done that. And now with your screwdriver, it's going in much easier because the threads have already been cut with the gimlet tool. And you don't tear the head up, you don't break it off, and it works fine. These are a must-have if you're going to be working on high-end boxes, and especially with brass screws. So thanks for watching. Like below and subscribe, and we'll see you again.